To play the Kahoot game I have created, I copy and pasted the link and enter it into the browser. Once I did so, I was given the option to play Classic or Team mode. I chose to play Classic. Once you do so, you press Ready to Join, and then you are given a PIN. The student will then open the browser kahoot.com, and then they will press play and enter the PIN they were given, which is 1708737. Once doing so, they are allowed to enter a nickname that they want to be recognized in. Press OK, go, and then their teacher has the ability to press the game and allow them to start. Once this loads, they will then get the option to play the game as it loads on their screen, and the teacher will be able to see the answers they choose. The question will be displayed on the board, and this is what the teacher sees, and this is what the student sees. He or she can either pick true or false. Once they do so, the game will continue and the next question will appear.